What's happening, ATM Sports Cards back again. This is a one-box break of Top Platinum. This is box 1 from our February 10th break between Bo Sox football coach to Bump 52, McNabb to Westy, Santos Sweski, Decno 2, Ryo, and Booth 9919. Good luck to everybody. Should be 3 hits per box, bunch of packs, bunch of goodies. Alright, we got a little base thing there. And I'm just going to start ripping packs, guys. If you don't mind, I'm going to try to fly through this quickly. I will not call out base, I will just say the hits. Alright, we've got base. There's a Brett Favre base, at least. That's cool. Chris Johnson, a rookie card of somebody Nelson. Cards are nice, though. Glossy. Buffalo Bills and Akeem Nicks rookie. Call out rookies and hits. Alright, we've got base, and we've got a Johnson rookie for Giants and a Lewis Murphy Raiders. Alright, we've got Joseph Adai, Terrell Owens, Jason Witten, Pat White rookie, and on the back we have a Matthew Stafford rookie. This pack feels a little thick. Got a patch in here, I think. Alright, here we go. Come on. Alright, Darren McFadden, Ben Roethlisberger. We've got a Brian Orakpo rookie. Actually, it's not a hit, it's just a rookie here. Numbered 615 out of 1549. It's a little bit thicker. I don't know if that's like a parallel platinum or something. Tom Brandsnitter and Mike Wallace rookies. Alright, we got Westbrook, Portis, Willis, Loshawn Marino rookie, and another Lewis Murphy. Got a base, and a Darius Hayward Bay rookie, and a Jeremy Maclin rookie. You know, Mikey G would like that. We've got a Jericho Cotry, Tony Romo. We've got one of those thicker cards of Lewis Murphy, just like the Orakpo earlier. That one is numbered to 1549. Nate Davis and a Quan Cosby rookie. Alright, base. We've got a Aaron Curry rookie Seahawks and a Josh Freeman Buccaneers. So we're getting a lot of rookie cards in this product. That's cool. Alright, base. We got a holy shit. Oh, where's Mikey G when we need him? AFC East. Mikey G, oh my god, you would flip your shit right now. Jeremy Maclin, red refractor autograph, number to 10. Jeremy Maclin, red refractor auto, number to 10. Pretty sick. Damn. Mikey G is gonna be salty. He is gonna be salty. NFC East was Ryo. Alright. Base. And Nate Davis, one of those thick cards, refractors. Derek Williams rookie and a Kenny Britt rookie. Alright, we've got Devin Hester, Jonathan Palmer, Stephen McGee, and Jared Dillard rookies. Alright guys, I'm trying to fly through this. We're getting pretty hung up on time here. Tyson Jackson and Heartline rookie. Right. Grant, White, Bryant, Orakpo rookies, and Mike Thomas rookies. Another one of these thick packs here. Patch auto, come on now. Another Finest Moments of Glenn Coffey, refractor rookie, 49ers, and Austin Collie, rookie. Base. Andre Smith and Hoffman, rookie, Bengals. It's a lot of damn packs here. I'll take a look at that. Still should have 2 autographs. Alright, base. We've got a Deion Butler and Jeremy Maclin, rookie. So no Percy for the Win Harvin. We got a Porter, base. Got a Nelson rookie. That's number to 499. I guess that's a parallel refractor. And Muhammad Massaquoi rookie. This pack feels extremely thick. I think this might be our patch. Base. And it is. And Mr. Raya was just tearing it up. 3-color rookie patch auto number to 350 with Sean McCoy, Eagles. Raya was just slaying this break. Good pick on the NL East, that's for damn sure. Base. Chris Bean Wells rookie, Brian Hartline rookie. Alright, base. Brandon Pettigrew, James Laurinaitis rookies. Sorry guys, I'm just going to fly through this till we get to our last hit. Base. Bomar and McCoy rookies. Mark Sanchez going back. Sanchez and Iglesias. There's a Sanchez.